The Nokta AccuPOINT is a game-changing pinpointer. I'll be going over its features, deep diving into the menu settings, and finally showing you how to pair it with your Nokta headphones. That is coming up.
Connect.
The AccuPOINT has been designed to enhance your detecting experience with an intuitive menu navigation and real-time setting visibility on a vibrant LCD color display. Whether you're an experienced detectorist or just starting out, the AccuPOINT will empower you with unparalleled precision and confidence. You get the Nokta AccuPOINT pinpointer, a spare tip protector, a belt holster, a USB Type-C charging cable, a security lanyard, and a spare O-ring. The pinpointer is IP68 rated, and that means it's waterproof up to 10 feet or 3 meters. It's also Bluetooth enabled, so you can enjoy wireless, lag-free audio. It has advanced discrimination for ferrous and non-ferrous tones, which will help you identify more treasure and less trash when pinpointing targets. It has a colorful LCD screen. The user-friendly interface ensures effortless access to settings and adjustments, making pinpointing targets hassle-free. A one-button, easy operation makes this a turn-and-go pinpointer featuring a very easy-to-use, intuitive menu design. The volume control lets you adjust the sound to low or high. An adjustable backlight lets you adjust the backlight as bright or low as you require. The frequency shift prevents interference with other detectors operating nearby or EMI. It also has a lost alarm, and after 5 minutes of inactivity, the device emits an audible alarm and the LED starts flashing. There's also different alert modes. You can have audio only, vibration only, or audio and vibration. The LED flashlight is ideal for night hunts and underwater use. The replaceable tip protector safeguards the tip of the AccuPOINT from damage and wear, and if something happens, you always have a spare. The USB Type-C rechargeable battery provides up to 25 hours of use on a single charge. This will vary depending on the settings that you pick. Let's take a close look at the menu and navigate through the settings together.
All right, let's turn on the pinpointer, and to do that, you just press the button once. Now to enter the settings menu, you have to hold on to the button. Once it hits the cog, you are in. First one up is sensitivity. And to adjust it, you just press the button once. We're going to keep it on low. And we'll go to the next one, which is how you want it to sound. Now you can have the beeps, you can have beeps and vibration, or you can have vibration only. Now we'll go over to the next one. Now we are in ferrous or non-ferrous. This is 2 tones. One tone for both. Or iron off. Up next is Bluetooth. And you can decide whether or not you want to hear it in your headphones or in your speaker. Next is your frequency. If you're having difficulty with EMI or another detector, you can go through the different frequencies. Let that time out. We are in flashlight. This is where you decide if you don't need a light, you do need a light. And just remember that if you do put the flashlight on, it's going to drain your batteries just a little bit quicker. Now we are in volume. You can have it on low or high. How bright do you want the display? You can have it really, really bright, or you can have it less bright. Once again, the brighter it is, the more batteries. Finally, the reset. You can choose to reset the pinpointer if you are encountering any problems. That's it. It's actually not very difficult. Nicely laid out and easily understood. To turn off your pinpointer, you simply hold down the button, but you don't let the red go all the way to the cogwheel.
So now that you know how to navigate the menu, let's pair it with the Nokta headphones. In order to pair your Nokta headphones, you have to first ensure that the headphones are turned on. Back to our pinpointer. Long press to get us into the settings. We're going to go over to Bluetooth. Now the light is flashing green on the headphones. It's looking for something to pair. As you can see, the little headphone has stopped flashing and indicating that we are now paired. So there you have it. We are paired. Very, very simple. Now just understand that the very first time that you do this, it might take a little while to get paired, but as you saw, it took us about 30 seconds. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the Nokta AccuPOINT to get you out there and detecting. And remember, there has never been a better time to get your Nokta on.